In the second transaction for 19.2, on September 20th, we bought a workstation for $4,800. The estimated salvage value is 0, and its estimated useful life is 5 years. So we'll fill in the top, workstation. We're using the straight line depreciation method. The original cost is $4,800. The salvage value is nothing. We plan to own it for about 5 years, and we bought this on September 20th, 2011. We'll go ahead and calculate how much depreciation is taken off for a year. So again, we always start off with $4,800. We subtract the salvage value. So we still have $4,800 divided by 5 years, and we're going to take off $960 for every full year that we own it. But if you take a look at when we bought this asset at the end of September. So which means we really owned it for October, November, and December. We only owned it for 3 months, so we're not going to take off a full $960 that full year. We're only going to take off 3 months of that year. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this $960 and divide by 12 so that we can figure out per month how much to take off. So that's $80 a month, and I said we're going to own it for all of October, November, and December, which is 3. So in that first year, we're going to take off $240. So this is how this one works. In 2011, we started off with the purchase price. We're going to take off this $240, which means in the first year, the accumulated is $240. $4,800 minus $240 is $4,560. Then in 2012, we start off with $4,560. Now we're going to take off the full amount, which is $960, because we'll own it for all of that year. $240 plus $960 gives us $1,200. $4,560 minus $960, we're down to $3,600. In 2013, we start off with $3,600, take off another $960. $1,200 plus $960 is $2,160. $3,600 minus $960, we're down to $2,640. In 2014, we start off with $2,640. We take off another $960. That brings our accumulated up to $3,120. $2,640 minus $960, we're down to $1,680. In 2015, we start off with $1,680. We'll take off another $960. That brings our accumulated up to $4,080. And we still have $720 left. Now notice there's 5 years here, and if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would think that we're done, but we have to get to our salvage value. We have to get this down to 0. So we're going to take it off 1 more year. We start off with $720. We're not going to take off the full $960. We're only going to take off as much as we need to get down to the salvage value. So that's going to be $720. That brings this up to $4,800, and $720 minus $720 is 0.